one of these. So I don't know, I might be tossing this to Jody. I might not be, but it's a really easy product. And when we talk about the LED and infrared, that's what this offers you. So this is a cordless. Again, I love when you can be a multitasker. So this is, you charge it with the USB cord, takes about 2 to 4 hours, and then you get multiple uses. But you don't have to sit and be tethered to something on the couch, on the chair. Just put this on, it's a neoprene sleeve. So you'll put your hand in, and you can see the red lights. Now the red lights are visible to us. The infrared, not. We cannot see. So when you look in here, there are 60 lights. You're only going to see 30. You're going to see 30 and go, why aren't those other lights illuminated? That's infrared. We cannot see. Humans cannot see infrared. But what infrared does is it works at the cellular level. So it's light energy that penetrates the skin, going through the skin, through the tissue, and it allows for increased local blood circulation while you're wearing this. And it temporarily relieves arthritis pain. I can't throw that out. I can't say that at QVC unless we've proven it. So this is an FDA approved, not just FDA cleared, but FDA approved medical device. And this is the same technology that you'll see in a PT office, a chiropractic office, a doctor's office. When I used to go for treatments on my back many years ago when I had a whiplash injury, we did LED. We did treatments because it helps with pain. And if you can't have that pain in your hand, in your knuckles, in your wrist, if you're on a keyboard all day, or if you're doing those repetitive motions all day, or you're like my mom who did have the really bad kind of arthritis in her hands, and she would beg and plead for different things to help. And some of the Tommie Copper products really gave her relief. And I think this is one of those that's comfortable. It's roomy, it's spacious. I mean, we have a size chart, but that's kind of, unless you have an enormous, ginormous hand, it's pretty much a one size fits all. My husband has huge, big bear claws. He can fit his entire hand in here, but I like that I also get some wrist relief as well. Your hand can move around. It's free. This is not free fingers. It's not compression. It's not squeezing you. It's just treating you with the LED and the red lights. So a treatment lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. It auto shuts off by itself. If you don't want to wait for the 20 minutes, you can easily hard turn this off by just holding that power button for a few seconds. And that's how you turn it on, but that's also how you turn it off. So a long hold turns it on, long hold turns it off, or it just goes off by itself after a treatment. And if you're thinking, well, how many treatments can I do throughout the day? Because if you have to go for a treatment, you have to schedule the appointment, you have to pay for the appointment, you have to go to the appointment. With this type of treatment, you're doing it here at your own home. So they recommend that you could do it every 6 hours. So pretty nice. I know you're not going to go back to the physical therapist 3 times a day, but this is something that you can do at home. What I love as a mom, as a grandmom, it's not a pill. It's not a cream or goop. It's something that is part of the arsenal. I always feel like, we have these things in our medicine cabinets that help you, but it temporarily relieves arthritis pain. How about temporarily relieving muscle spasms? It's the LED high-powered lights, which is the light energy, which works at the cellular level. It's an FDA approved, again, not cleared. It takes a lot to be approved by the FDA as a medical device. So it's got that integrated USB, which we talked about here. This is how you charge it. This is plugs in, and then this plugs into here. It takes about 2 to 4 hours to fully charge. And then you have multiple uses, depending on if you do use it every day or several times a day, but it's comfortable. And you'll feel a little bit of warmth. So that's designed intentionally. I think sometimes people feel for pain or for arthritis, let's get a heating pad, that'll work. Well, it does soothe the top surface of the skin and it feels nice, but when you talk LED, you're talking going through the tissue, penetrating deep, and actually temporarily increasing that local blood flow. And it's that working at the cellular level that helps to combat the pain, the arthritis pain, the spasms, the strains, the sprains. That's exactly what this can do. An LED can help you with some bruising as well. It's a comfortable mitt. Remember, when you get it home and you look in there, There are 60 lights, but you're only going to be able to see 30 of them, because with the human eye, we could see red light, but we can't see infrared. So it's the infrared lights that look like they're not illuminated, but they are working. So if you see the red light, you know that this is completely on and powered up and ready to go. And you can charge at any time, and you can still do your tasks. You don't have to sit and wait for your treatment to be over and looking at your watch thinking, I should be doing this, I should be doing that, I should be going somewhere. This is one of those things. And by the way, the pricing really, really good. I'm gonna grab this because it's a sale price of $78.98. It's usually $99. V57902, shipping and handling applies, 5 easy pays of $15.80. If you've got arthritis pain or somebody with that hand or wrist issues, please consider this. Next, coming up, you guys, we have one of our more popular items, and that is our Tommie Copper tank top. Everybody loves this tank top. Why? Well, it just looks like a cute shirt.